Hello and welcome to today's lesson. If you are new to this channel, my name is Kaonga Samuel. I'm back again with probability part 2. We're going to pick it up from where we left in part 1 and proceed in this part 2. So if you did not watch my part 1 video, you can find it within my playlist. Now, take note that this is going to be another basic concept video, just looking at the basics that can help us to have a strong understanding as we proceed with our probability. Great. Today we're going to look at two basic concepts, and these basic concepts are simply related to wordings, the words, okay? The words. And these words are, the first one being and, the second one all, and all. So in probability, these two words, they've got their own meanings. Let's check it out. So when it comes to meaning, the word and simply means multiply. So in probability, the word and simply means multiply. So if you find the word and, we are telling you to multiply the probabilities. Take note also that the word all simply means you are adding the probabilities. All simply means you are adding the probabilities. Great. Let's jump into a slide that is going to show us an example. Great. Here we are into the example slide. Tionge's bag contains 2 blue pencils and 3 red pencils. I mean, these are pencils, colored pencils, so to say. A pencil is chosen at random from the bag. Find the probability that it is both blue and red. Find the probability that the pencil chosen is both blue and red. Great. Let's go into the solution slide. Beautiful. Here we are into the solution slide. Take note that Tionge's bag has a total of 5 pencils. Because it has a total of 5 pencils, it simply means our total outcomes is going to be 5. We will be expressing whatever we're getting as out of 5. That's the meaning of total outcomes there. So in Tionge's bag, it is noted that 2 are blue pencils. Out of 5, 2 are blue. And out of 5, 3 are red pencils. 3 are red pencils. So these are the probability. The probability of a blue pencil is going to be 2 out of 5. The probability of choosing or picking at random a red pencil is always going to give you 3 out of 5. Now, what would be the probability of choosing both a blue and a red? So remember, the word and simply tells you to multiply the probability. So we're going to multiply the probability of blue, which is this one, and the probability of red, which is this one. We multiply these probabilities. So the result is going to give us 2 over 5 times 3 out of 5, meaning the probability of blue times the probability of red there, simply being multiplied. So when you multiply 2 times 3, you're going to have 6 over 5 times 5 is going to give you 25. So the probability that we are going to choose a blue and a red pen at once is going to give you 6 out of 25. Great. Let's look at example number 2. In example 2, a letter is randomly chosen from the word musician. A letter is randomly chosen from the word musician. Find the probability that it is an I or a C. Find the probability of choosing an I or a letter C. Great. Let's proceed into the solution slide. Before we proceed, if so far you are enjoying this video, please like this video, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Those of you who are new, subscribe to this channel, share this channel, share these videos to as many as people and help us to grow. Help me to grow this channel. Right. Hit that subscription button and then do not forget to hit the bell notification icon. To those of you who have already subscribed, to my lovely people that have already subscribed, a big thank you to you. I'm so grateful for your subscription because you are helping me to grow this channel. Great. Let's proceed into solution part 2. So solution continues. The word musician has a total of 8 letters. It has a total of 8 letters. So since it has a total of 8 letters, we are going to say the total outcomes is 8. We can't exceed 8. Now take note, the probability of picking a U is simply 1 out of 8. Meaning in the word musician, U is going to appear once out of 8 letters. And in the word musician, I is going to appear 2 times out of 8 letters. I is appearing twice. So because U is appearing once, the probability of U is therefore going to be 1 out of 8. I is appearing twice, the probability of letter I is going to give you 2 out of 8. So we can reduce 2 out of 8 to 1 out of 4. Simply 2 into 2 is going to give you 1. 2 into 8 is going to give you 4. So we can reduce this probability to 1 out of 2. Correct? So the probability of either picking a letter U or picking a letter I is now going to give you 1 out of 8 plus 1 out of 4. Remember, or simply means when it comes to probability, or simply means we are adding the given probabilities. So in this case, we are adding 1 out of 8 plus 1 out of 4. What gives you the confidence to say you are adding? It is this word here, all. Great. So 1 out of 8 plus 1 out of 4, the answer is going to give you 1 plus 2 out of 8. So the common denominator there being 8. So 8 can go into 8 once, times 1, you're going to have 1. 4 can go into 8 2 times 1 is going to give you 2. Therefore, the probability of choosing letter U or letter I is going to give you 3 out of 8. 3 out of 8. So this is going to be the solution. Great. Wow, it has been good having you on this channel. Really, I'm so grateful to have hosted you on my channel today. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Wow, this has been so great. From me, it's goodbye.